All right, we are live here in Birmingham. As we can see, we have very bad snow. We're actually here on 280, where as you can see, traffic has not moved a bit. Right here next to the dang pink package store. We've had several people leaving their vehicles to run across the street to grab some alcoholic beverages. Okay, as you can see my dang window, Lord have mercy. Can't even get no can't even dang see out of it. But you also see cars not moving much here. Um, we are live on Glenn Action News. Glenn Action News here live. We're in the eye of the storm. We're sitting here. See the storm? Look at those dang snowflakes. Like it's snowing damn sheeps. Look at them dang things. A dang windshield probably, I don't know how long it's going to last. And here we go. Oh, man, we have a jeans. There goes another one. Walking to the dang liquor store. I told you. You thought I was telling the tale. Look at them. I mean, they just can't do without a dang drink. Lord have mercy. It's a dang snow blizzard out here, and he's out here going to the dang liquor store. Dang snow. Oh, they locked his ass out. Wait a minute. His shit locked out. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lordy. All right, well, as we can see, not much has changed. All right. Live from Birmingham, Glenn Action News, and we're out. Peace.